Twilio's SMS capabilities integrate with GoHighLevel's CRM and marketing automation platform for enhanced customer engagement. This involves connecting phone numbers and setting up triggers for automated responses. First, acquire a Twilio account and purchase or port phone numbers via the Twilio console. Then, in GoHighLevel, navigate to Settings, Integrations, Twilio. Enter your Twilio account's ID, auth token, and API key, authenticating via OAuth for secure access. Assign Twilio numbers to GoHighLevel campaigns or contacts to enable SMS communication. Triggers are event-based initiators that launch workflows. Set Twilio triggers for incoming SMS, like a keyword such as start. In GoHighLevel, create triggers under Automation's Triggers, selecting Twilio SMS received and defining conditions. When a message hits the Twilio number and matches the conditions, it activates the corresponding workflow. This integration uses RESTful APIs and webhooks for bidirectional communication. Workflows are automated sequences built in GoHighLevel's drag-and-drop interface. Connect Twilio by adding Send SMS nodes that pull from your connected Twilio numbers. Create inbound workflows to respond to incoming messages automatically, such as auto-replying to help with support information. Outbound workflows can be triggered to send appointment reminders or promotional texts based on CRM data. Utilize conditional logic with if-then branches for personalized responses, such as if a contact replies yes, enroll them in a follow-up sequence. Ensure workflows comply with SMS regulations by including opt-out instructions. As of late 2025, GoHighLevel offers native support for Twilio's advanced opt-in features, enabling automated SMS compliance and management of opt-in keywords and stop requests directly within workflows. Test your workflows via GoHighLevel's sandbox mode to simulate sends.